Y'all, we are live at We Rock. We are about ready to start our very first course, which is C1. We have Dwayne driving, and oh my God, Jeremy is spotting for him. So he is lining up right now. I'm going to turn you around so you don't miss any of the action. So this is course C1. The very first one he's running. He is running second. He did see somebody else go right before him, but I'm not sure he was able to watch too much of that. It is very busy, very crowded out here. He's just lining up the gate right now, and Jeremy is giving him directions on what to do. They do the fist bump. That is Dwayne's good luck. He's done it with his spotters since he started. Now I'm going to try to get the action for you while staying out of the way. It doesn't make it easy with all the rocks and the mud out here on the courses. See, it's very crowded. We've got a line of people still coming in. If you're in town or around and want to come up, they do have a shuttle coming from lower lots for spectators. And all the other competitors lining up, getting ready to go. Very, very busy out here today. All the cool cars. So kind of give you, so you know what you're going to be watching. Right here is the start gate. They're going to come up through. Here is one gate, and here's bonus one gate. So they'll decide which one they're going to do there. Go over here. Here's bonus 2 or regular 2. They've got to go up, do this really tight turn, and come down through 3 here. Come over, and this is 4 right here. And then they'll come down, and then they'll go out where that yellow cone is. So they'll go out here. That will be their course today. They have 10 minutes to complete the course, and you want lowest points as possible. And they are off. So they made it through the start gate, no problem. It does look like he's heading over to the bonus 2. It is a super off-camber wedge that he'll be climbing up through. You see him all flexed out there, making that climb. Now, as I walk around the course, I do my best to keep you in frame with him to be able to see what he's doing. He's got this brand new Maxxis tires on. He hasn't had the time to get them eaten down. We all know that Maxxis tires do not do well when they're full tread. So when you can see that top and that hood that clearly, you know they are way off camber. Look at that one tire way up in the air. He is all twisted up there. You see his front tire is going one way, his rear is going the other. That is articulation, people. Using that rear steer so he can clear those bonus cones. And he got through bonus 1 nice and clean. He is heading over to gate 2. I don't know, again, which one he's going to do, whether he's going to do the bonus or if he's doing regular. It does look like he's heading up towards that bonus. It is a very vertical climb. With brand new tires, I don't know that he'll have the traction, but if he can get up and over, that'll be his second bonus. If he goes through those bonus cones, every time he does, he gets a negative 10 points. And he's backing out of it. He just cannot get the traction. He's not going to eat up a lot of time. You have 10 minutes to finish the course, so he wants to make sure he gets through the course in time. So he backed out of the bonus, and he's going to try for the regular 2. It is a very tight turn once he gets up there. And you can see him climbing. You can see the undercarriage of that car. It is still a steep climb getting up there. A very tight turn. And where Jeremy is standing now is one of the cones for the next gate. So he's got to make that tight turn to be able to get down and through gate 3. He's got 100 million levers in that buggy to play with to make sure his tires and everything do exactly what he needs to do. He's trying to do a rear burn over. And he just pushed a huge rock over, which made him slide down a little bit. And he is jerking on those levers, trying to get it where he needs it to be. So he did clear the cones with his front tires. Now he's just got to get the rear tires through. And now he's going to head straight over to gate number 4. Now again, if you see that hood, you know, or that roof, you know he's at an angle, trying to get up without sliding down on those new Maxxis tires. So it looks like he made 4 clean. He's got to now do a turnaround so he can come downhill. There is a lot of loose boulders down here. I am going to try to back up and keep you in frame so that we stay out of the way. Now he's just got to get 2 tires out of the exit gate. And he is done. That was a nice clean run, guys. He is going to be heading off to the next run, and I will see you then. Until then, as always, you know it. I love you.